Hello. So today I'm gonna talk about the remainder operator. I know in the previous video when I was talking about operator, I didn't really explain about remainder. I didn't really touch about it also, because I forgot about it. um, so it's not that hard. Basically, when you do a division, you will get some remainders, right? And so if you use this operator and you try to divide, um, something like this. So int x is equal to 10 remainder 3. So what you'll get here for the x is actually 1, because if you divide 10 by 3, and the remainder, if you divide 10 by 3, divide by 3, you'll get 3 as a whole and a remainder of 1. So x will hold the value 1. So if I try to print this, I should get 1. Yep, I got 1. So you might be thinking where with this kind of operator will be used, right? So one of the um, typical case where you use this operator is when you want to find a number is even or not. So if a number is even, if you divide by 2, you shouldn't get any remainder, right? So if I try, let's say I'm writing a program where I'm getting an input from the user, and then I will tell if the number or the input is even or not. So let's give a prompt, enter a number, and then int. By the way, don't forget to import scanner, and then int x is equal to se.nextInt. Now I got the number. Now you just check. So if x remainder 2 is equals to 0, that means if you divide by 2, if you get 0 as a remainder, that means it's an even. So just print it is an even number, else print it is an odd number, and then try to test it out, run, then I enter 12. Let's see. So it's an even number. Let's give a odd number. So if I give 3, it's an odd number. So that's all about this operator or the remainder operator, and thank you so much.